Hey, what's up everyone? We are going to throw a little video together of how we do our blade sharpening. Before the video gets rolling, I just wanted to show you what we use to actually do that. So this is our blade sharpener. It's a Burr King. It's a belt style sander for metal. So we use the blade or roll the blade across here. You'll see in the video, and this takes and puts a nice edge on it. The other main part of our blade sharpening that we use, or main piece, is a blade balancer. It's a very simple piece tool to have here. Goes like so, and you can set your blades on like that, and if they stay steady, that means your blades are in balance. If it's heavy one side or the other, that's where you'll want to take a little more off of the heavy side. If they're not in balance, the mower will just feel really shaky and it'll wear out the bearings in the deck. So it's a longevity thing. So check out this video. It's pretty cool. Let us know if you have any other ways or strategies of sharpening your blades.